Everyone's afraid AI is going to take their job. Bad news, it's already started. The good news, you'll have plenty of free time because you'll be unemployed. AI isn't coming for your job tomorrow. It's already training on your resume today. It began with the boring stuff. Emails, data entry, customer service, the jobs we didn't want anyway. Then AI got better. It started designing logos, writing scripts, even making music. Now it doesn't just do your job. It does it faster, cheaper, and without coffee breaks. Bosses call it innovation. Workers call it panic. AI made everything more efficient. One person with a laptop can now do the work of 10. And those other 9? They're exploring new opportunities. Translation, figuring out which Uber tier they can afford. But here's the trick. AI doesn't just replace jobs. It replaces people. Because companies don't care about effort. They care about output. And AI's output never sleeps. So humans adapted. We started using AI to keep up. Writers used it to write faster, marketers to post more, and coders to debug code written by other AI. And in the process, we accidentally trained our replacements. Because every prompt you type makes the machine a little smarter, and you a little more replaceable. The job of the future isn't about hard work, it's about prompt work. The best employees aren't the ones who work hardest, but the ones who know what to tell the machines to do. We used to say, work smarter, not harder. Now it's work smarter or get replaced by smarter. The scariest part isn't that AI can replace humans. It's that most humans are already acting like AI. Predictable, repetitive, data-driven. Maybe the real threat isn't automation. Maybe it's imitation. So yeah, AI is taking jobs. But it's not the apocalypse, it's the upgrade. And if you're watching this thinking, AI could never replace me, that's exactly what everyone said before their replacement logged in on time.